This is Hurricane Irma. This is what it did for us, to us. We are at Pelican at the moment, and if I zoom in, I want to show you the damage. Look, all the trees are down. Look at this. Look at up here. Look at the room up there. They are gone. All the roofs are gone. Look over here, if I may zoom in. My husband's Jeep is total loss. Total loss. But what? We have life. And we are grateful to God. God is good. Who is smoking? Who is smoking? Hello? Who is smoking? No, you cannot smoke, ma'am. You cannot smoke this time. We have a disaster. You don't know if it have gas leak. We cannot do no smoking. Okay, thank you. Why be with a newspaper? Look at this. Look at this. You don't know how this get here? This is by the entrance of the security. Look here. This. Tromia. Tyrone. Oh, that too low. I wanted you to take a thing, but oh, it's okay. This is gone, boy. This is it. Wow.